Have you ever had a conversation that seemed to go perfectly? They laughed, they smiled, they replied instantly, and then they slowly disappeared. Meanwhile, you've probably met someone who wasn't the funniest, wasn't the most attractive, didn't even say anything extraordinary. Yet somehow, people never wanted to leave their side. Why? Because attraction isn't created by talking more. It's created by making someone feel more alive while they're talking to you. And once you understand the psychology behind that, people won't just remember your words, they'll remember how you made them feel. Here's the first mistake almost everyone makes. They try too hard to be interesting. They prepare clever stories, memorize jokes, think of the perfect reply before speaking, but while they're busy trying to impress, the other person is busy wondering, do they actually see me? The most magnetic conversationalists aren't obsessed with being fascinating. They're obsessed with making the other person feel fascinating. Think about the last conversation you genuinely enjoyed. Chances are, you talked more than you realized. You felt understood. You felt seen. That's why you walked away feeling connected. People rarely become attached to the person who speaks the most. They become attached to the person who makes them reveal parts of themselves they don't usually share. Now here's something that creates instant emotional chemistry. Stop asking predictable questions. Instead of asking, "What do you do?" ask, "What's something you secretly enjoy that most people would never guess about you?" Instead of, "Where are you from?" try, "What's a place that completely changed the way you see life?" Notice what happens. You're no longer collecting facts. You're uncovering identity. And identity is where emotional attraction begins. Because facts are forgotten. Emotions are remembered. Now let's talk about silence. Most people fear it. The second there's a pause, they rush to fill it. They change the subject. They start rambling. But confident people understand something different. Silence isn't always awkward. Sometimes it's anticipation. When someone says something meaningful, don't immediately respond. Pause. Just for a second. Let the moment breathe. That tiny silence tells the other person, what you just said mattered. And people crave feeling that their words have weight. Here's another shift. Stop listening just to answer. Start listening to discover. Most conversations stay on the surface. I like traveling. I enjoy music. I work in marketing. Interesting, but incomplete. The real conversation begins with one simple word. Why? Why that place? Why that dream? Why does that matter to you? Every why moves one layer deeper, and every deeper layer builds emotional intimacy, without forcing it. And here's where it gets interesting. Most people believe great conversations are about confidence, but the real secret isn't confidence, it's emotional safety. People become addicted to conversations where they don't feel judged. Think about that. How often do people hide parts of themselves, their fears, their embarrassing stories, their strange opinions, their insecurities? Now imagine becoming the person they don't have to perform around. Someone who responds with curiosity instead of criticism. Acceptance instead of mockery. That's rare, and rare is attractive. Here's another mistake that quietly kills attraction. Trying to win every conversation. Correcting every detail. Showing how much you know. Having the final word. You may win the discussion, but lose the connection. People don't remember who sounded the smartest. They remember who made them feel the smartest. That doesn't mean pretending. It means being genuinely interested instead of constantly trying to be impressive. Now let's talk about emotional variety. Some conversations feel flat because every emotion stays the same. Question, answer, question, answer. Instead, create emotional movement. Tell a funny story. Then ask something thoughtful. Tease playfully. Then become sincere. Share something unexpected. Then invite them to do the same. Real attraction grows through emotional contrast. Laughter feels stronger after vulnerability. Flirting feels more exciting after meaningful connection. Mystery feels more powerful after comfort. The conversation begins to feel like a journey, not an interview. Here's something almost nobody notices. The most unforgettable people don't reveal everything. They leave tiny open loops. Maybe they mention, "That reminds me of the craziest thing that happened to me last year." Then continue the conversation naturally. Later, they come back to it. Curiosity keeps attention alive. Not because you're manipulating anyone, because the human brain naturally wants unfinished stories to be completed. Now here's the biggest mistake of all, needing the conversation to succeed. The moment your happiness depends on whether someone likes you, you start performing, you censor yourself, you overthink every sentence, you lose your natural rhythm. Ironically, the less desperately you seek approval, the more attractive your presence becomes. Because calm is contagious. People feel when someone is comfortable with themselves, and comfort creates trust. Trust creates openness. Openness creates emotional attraction. In the end, people don't become attached because you use the perfect line, or because you memorized clever conversation techniques. They stay because around you they felt understood, they felt accepted, they felt emotionally alive. The most addictive conversations aren't built on endless talking. They're built on curiosity, presence, playfulness, emotional depth, and genuine attention. Master those, and people won't just remember what you said, they'll find themselves wanting another conversation before the first one is even over. If you enjoyed this video and want to understand the hidden psychology behind attraction, confidence, and human connection, subscribe for more videos every week. Because the most unforgettable conversations don't change someone's opinion of you. They quietly change how they feel whenever you're around.